Hi, today we're going to teach you on how to cancel Shopify subscriptions on your phone. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's begin. On your Shopify app or on your Shopify homepage, click or go on over to the bottom right of the screen and click on the three dots. After that, go to settings and go to plan. And as you can see here, I'm currently in a trial plan. However, if you have other plans, you can just simply click cancel trial. After that, we're going to read this and go to save. After that, we're going to choose the main reason on why we are closing this store. We have multiple options here. Let's say we're going to click on I'm not making enough sales. We're going to hit save, and Shopify will give you a precaution that after you deactivate your store, you will no longer have access to the Shopify admin and so on. And then we're going to hit on save, and our plan will be cancelled. I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.